Bitcoin price prediction. BTC targets $111,000 as Nasdaq, Cboe, and U.S. policy shifts ignite market optimism. Bitcoin, cryptocurrency. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Bitcoin consolidates near $106,000 as Nasdaq and Cboe enter crypto. Bitcoin price prediction points to $111,000 breakout soon. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. Crypto writer. Arslan Butt. About author. Arslan Butt is an experienced webinar speaker, market analyst, and content writer specializing in crypto, forex, and commodities. He provides expert insights, trading strategies, and in-depth analysis. Author profile. Share. Copied. Add disclosure. Add disclosure. We believe in full transparency with our readers. Some of our content includes affiliate links, and we may earn a commission through these partnerships. However, this potential compensation never influences our analysis, opinions, or reviews. Our editorial content is created independently of our marketing partnerships, and our ratings are based solely on our established evaluation criteria. Read more. Last updated 1 hour ago. Disclaimer: crypto is a high-risk asset class. This article is provided for informational purposes and does not constitute investment advice. You could lose all of your capital. Bitcoin price prediction. Bitcoin is consolidating near $106,700 as market optimism builds around Nasdaq and Cboe's entry into regulated crypto trading, the expected end of the U.S. government shutdown, and renewed institutional inflows. Analysts see growing momentum that could push BTC toward $111,000, driven by improving liquidity, bullish technicals, and easing fiscal uncertainty, signaling the next phase of crypto market recovery. Nasdaq and Cboe to launch regulated spot and leveraged crypto trading next month. Nasdaq and Cboe are set to introduce regulated spot and leveraged cryptocurrency trading as early as next month, according to the U.S. Commodity Futures Trading Commission, CFTC. Acting Chair Caroline Pham confirmed that the move will allow exchanges such as CME Group and Coinbase derivatives to offer margin trading for Bitcoin, BTC, and Ethereum, ETH, under federal oversight. This marks the first time leveraged crypto spot trading will be permitted in the U.S., enhancing market transparency and investor protection. Analysts suggest that trillions in trading volume currently flowing through offshore platforms like Binance and Bybit could shift to regulated U.S. markets. The decision is widely seen as bullish for Bitcoin, with expectations that regulated leverage trading will boost liquidity, attract institutional participation, and strengthen BTC's upward momentum, potentially driving prices beyond $110,000 in the coming weeks. Crypto treasury firms turn to risky tokens, raising market volatility fears. As Bitcoin's rally shows signs of fatigue, a growing number of digital asset treasury (DAT) firms, companies that hold cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin on their balance sheets, are shifting towards smaller, riskier tokens in search of higher returns. According to a Reuters report, more than 200 corporations now hold digital assets, but with Bitcoin's price stabilizing, many are diversifying into altcoins that offer greater yield potential but come with elevated volatility and liquidity risks. This trend could intensify market swings, especially if firms with large holdings begin rotating capital too aggressively. The move underscores a broader risk-on sentiment among institutional crypto holders, mirroring behavior seen in previous late-cycle rallies. While some executives argue that selective exposure to DeFi and Layer 2 tokens helps offset declining Bitcoin returns, regulators and risk managers remain cautious, citing limited oversight and higher counterparty risks in these markets. With Bitcoin consolidating near $106,000, experts say a sharp shift towards speculative tokens could exacerbate price instability across the broader crypto market, especially if liquidity thins or macro conditions worsen. U.S. government shutdown nears end, boosting risk assets and crypto confidence. As the U.S. Senate moves closer to ending the 40-day government shutdown, risk assets such as Bitcoin and the Australian dollar surged, reflecting renewed investor optimism. The prolonged closure had disrupted the release of key economic data and delayed regulatory decisions, heightening market uncertainty. The resolution will allow markets to price in real fundamentals, paving the way for institutional investors to increase allocations to digital assets. Once government operations fully resume, inflows into Bitcoin and Ethereum ETFs are expected to strengthen, restoring confidence across risk markets. Following the announcement, cryptocurrency trading volumes spiked, with several altcoins posting double-digit gains. Bitcoin rose 1.67% to nearly $105,000, signaling strong buying momentum as investors positioned for a post-shutdown rebound. Market strategists view the reopening as bullish for Bitcoin, noting that reduced uncertainty and renewed ETF optimism could attract further institutional inflows. If momentum continues, BTC may retest previous highs near $126,000, supported by improving macro sentiment and easing fiscal pressures. Bitcoin price forecast: BTC eyes $111,000 as rising channel signals strength. Bitcoin, BTC/USD, holds firm near $106,700, sustaining its advance within an ascending channel on the 2-hour chart. The pattern signals ongoing bullish momentum as buyers consistently defend higher lows. After rebounding from $104,000 support, BTC broke above $106,000, confirming short-term upside pressure. The 20 EMA remains above the 50 EMA, reinforcing buyer control, while the RSI at 68 suggests strong but not overextended momentum. A bullish engulfing candle on November 9th, followed by consecutive higher closes, highlights steady accumulation. Price action now targets resistance near $108,200, with a breakout potentially opening a path toward $111,000 to $113,000, where Fibonacci resistance and the channel's upper boundary align. A drop below $105,300 would signal weakening momentum and could trigger a retest of $104,000 support. Still, the broader setup remains constructive. If momentum holds, Bitcoin could be gearing up for its next rally phase, mirroring early patterns from previous breakout runs. Bitcoin Hyper, the next evolution of BTC on Solana. Bitcoin Hyper, Dollar Hyper, is bringing a new phase to the Bitcoin ecosystem. While BTC remains the gold standard for security, Bitcoin Hyper adds what it always lacked: Solana-level speed. Built as the first Bitcoin native Layer 2 powered by the Solana Virtual Machine, SVM, it merges Bitcoin stability with Solana's high-performance framework. The result: lightning-fast, low-cost smart contracts, decentralized apps, and even meme coin creation, all secured by Bitcoin. Audited by Consult, the project emphasizes trust and scalability as adoption builds. And momentum is already strong. The presale has surpassed $26.4 million, with tokens priced at just $0.013245 before the next increase. As Bitcoin activity climbs and demand for efficient BTC-based apps rises, Bitcoin Hyper stands out as the bridge uniting two of crypto's biggest ecosystems. If Bitcoin built the foundation, Bitcoin Hyper could make it fast, flexible, and fun again. Click here to participate in the presale. Follow us on Google News, Trending News, Recommended Popular Crypto Topics, Price Predictions. Crypto Market Prospect. After the washout, the soil looks richer. Live Fed Payments Innovation Conference. Real-time updates as Federal Reserve discusses crypto, stablecoins, and AI with industry leaders. XRP price prediction. Post-swell volatility. Traders watch for confirmation of the XRP death cross and next move. XRP boss says Fed plans could be game changer. For Ripple analyst says Bitcoin dominance breakdown could signal incoming altcoin season. Altcoin news. High-profile Ethereum MEV fraud trial collapses as judge declares mistrial. 1 day ago, by Amin Ayan. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. XRP ranked number 2 by analysts, just behind Bitcoin, ahead of Solana and Doge. 4 days ago, by Alejandro Arich. Price analysis. XRP price prediction. 20-day countdown begins. Could the first XRP ETF send prices to $1,000? 6 hours ago, by Alejandro Arich. Best crypto to buy now in November 2025. Top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago, by Alan Draper. New cryptocurrencies to invest in today. Top new crypto coins. 16 hours ago, by Inesis Tavares. Top 12 crypto presales to watch in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Alan Draper. 12 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in November 2025. 11 hours ago, by Elijah Rankovich. 12 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 3 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. The next crypto to explode in 2025. Our top picks. 5 days ago, by Elijah Rankovich. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. October 24, 2025, by Leon Waters. XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. August 29, 2025, by Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. 6 days ago, by Ben Beto.